Thanks. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay. Today, Nagama.
There is one wrong.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, see. Na dipat.
Na adipati. Na adipati. Na adipati. What is this? Na inya minya. Okay.
Here is the na vipayukta.
Na adipati. Na vipayukta. Yes.
Yeah, it's 3-3. It's not 2-2.
3-3.
And because there is fala in there.
Yeah.
Magna.
Okay. 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 Only that, huh?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Hmm. Na. Oh. Nakam. Yes, Nakam. Nakama. Nakama 373. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
373. Okay. Nakama na asiwana. And let's see. Nakama na vipaka. Nakama na vipaka. So here, kusala, akusala, kiriya, cetana, and Trirupa.
Yes.
So, na vipa.
Yes.
Stay 37.
7. Yes.
Okay. Na ahara, na indriya, na jhana. Jasarupa. Na magga. Cetana in ahituka kriya and Trirupa. What about na vipayukta? 3-3.
Vipayukta in arupa.
Loba, moha, mabu, magri.
Sure. Yeah.
Apamaga. Oh, no phala.
That is the Nakama.
Maga cetana. Kusala, akusala, kiriya cetana. So no phala.
Yeah. Yes.
So is it 2-2? 3-3. Maga.
Yes, 3-3.
Maga cetana. Yes, maga cetana. Okay. Oh, Nagama duka. Nagama tika. Nagama nahitu. Kusala, akusala, kiriya cetana. Stay. No, 3. Ahituka kiriya. 1-1. Cetana in ahituka kiriya. Kusala, akusala, kiriya, cetana. So for the Nagama. Nahitu. Only ahituka kiriya. So 1-1.
Yes, 1-1.
1-1. Okay. All are 1-1.
Yes.
All are 1-1. Pramata Dhamma, we don't need to change.
Yes.
Okay. Nagama. So let's see. Na vipaka. 9-17. Na vipaka, right? Kusala, akusala, kiriya, nama khanda. And 7 rupa.
Yes.
Okay. And na vipaka, na ahara, na indriya, na jhana. And for the namaka, ahetuka, kiriya, namakanda. Na vipayukta. Okay, na vipayukta. So stay 3-3.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. 3-3. Tika na vipaka na hetu. So here, moha into moha. Ahetuka kiriya namakanda. And then ahetuka 6 rupa. Mula sancha 2-4.
Yeah.
Nahetu, nahetu sancha 2-4. 2-4. For na aramanati. Just only rupa. Na adipati mula. Huh?
Yes.
Na adipati, the same with the mula. Okay. Na inya. 1-1. Huh?
Okay.
Na puri. 2-2. Huh?
Yes.
Na puri moha and then manodwa. Na picha mula. Na asi. Moha hasitopada. 2 avijjana. Ahetuka rupa. 2-4. Huh?
Yeah.
2-4. Kama just only ahetuka kiriya cetana and rupa. And
Yeah.
then na ahara, na indriya, na jhana, na magga. Na vipayukta. The 2-2.
Yeah.
Na vipayukta 2-2. Okay. Oh. Na ahara 4 rupa. 1-1.
Yes.
1-1. Okay. Na ahara 4 rupa. Na indriya, na jhana, na magga, na vipayukta. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Na indriya 5 rupa.
Yes.
5 rupa. Na indriya also just 1-1. Just 1-1. Na vipayukta. Okay. Na jhana. Na jhana is this one.
Yes.
Vipincha vinyana. And then 5 rupa. Na jhana also 1-1. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, 1-1. Okay. Na jhana. Na jhana, na magga. Na vipayukta. In na vipayukta, only rupa. Okay. Okay. Na magga ahetuka namakanda. Ahetuka rupa. Na magga also 1-1.
Yes.
1-1. Na magga na vipayukta. Okay. Only manodha. No moha. Because in namaka no moha. Huh?
Yeah.
Manodhara vajjana ahira. So 1-1.
Wait a minute. Yes.
Because
1-1.
1-1. Yes, 1-1.
Now. Magga.
Namaga ahetuka namakanda.
Yes.
So in na vipayukta, no
Yes.
moha. Okay, no moha. And na vipayukta, na vipayukta. Oh, na vipayukta or dukkha. Is that the same with the previous one?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, na vipayukta 3 eh?
Yeah.
Na vipayukta 3 3 3. Okay. Na vipayukta tika. Na vipayukta na hetu. Na vipayukta na hetu. Moha manodva 5 rupa. So true.
Yes.
True. True. Okay, excuse me. Okay. True. Na vipayukta na adipati. Na adipati. Only rupa.
Yes.
Na adipati rupa. Sorry, na adi. Na adi rupa. Na adipati mula. True. Na inya minya. Oh. Na puri na picha na ase na vipa. Oh. Moha into moha. Manodva. And manodva. In arupa play. Huh?
I see.
Na puri na picha. Na puri na picha na vipa. The same with mula.
Yes. See.
Na ase is a first one.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Na puri na picha na ase na vipa. Na vipaka. Na jana na indriya. Sorry, na ahara na indriya na jana. Onamaga manodvara vajana and rupa. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Or chatuka 5 rupa. 5 rupa. So just a rupa or 1. Okay. Na vipayukta na hetu na aramana. Na adipati rupa. Na anandaradi. Also rupa. And then na inya minya. Buddha to rupa. Na pure na picha na ase 5 rupa. Na kama 3. Na vipaka. Same with mula. Na ahara 4. Na indriya. Na jana namaga 5. 5. Attaka. So here attaka is up to na. Inya minya.
Yeah.
Okay. This one, mula dhamma, is it this one? Buddha to
Yes.
5 rupa.
Yes. Mahabhuta. Because it's nya. Hanya. Sure.
Yes. Buddha to 5 rupa. Okay. So here just the na kama 3 rupa, na vipaka 5, na ahara 4, na indriya, na jana, na magga 5.
Yeah.
Right. Tirasaka. Oh. Tirasaka. Up to na kama. Nagama. Nagama. Rirupa. Huh?
Yes.
Rirupa. Just here in Ahara. Nahara. True. Okay. Visaka. Visaka. True Rupa. Huh?
Yeah.
Visaka. True Rupa. Visaka. True Rupa. Okay. Oh. Which are what are they? Huh?
Oh, that is the uh, yeah, Pachaya, Nesaya, Nesaya, Pachaya.
Athakatha, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. Dvivara.
Yeah.
Dvivara. Dvivara. Sansatha Sampayukta. Huh? So na hetu. 2 for 2. So only 2.
Yeah.
Mula Sankhya 2. Mula Sankhya. So this will be Mula Dhamma. Huh?
Yeah.
Moha and then Ahetuka Odi Patisandi Namakhanda. Moha. Na Adipati. Na Adipati. Na Adipati. The same with Mula. Huh?
Yeah.
Na Puri. Moha and then Aman Ahetuka only Manodwa. Huh?
Yeah.
Only Manodwa. Na Picha. The same with Mula. Na Ase. First Jovana. First Jovana. Moha first Jovana. Hasidopara first Jovana. True Avijjana. And then Ahetuka Vipaka. Okay. Ahetuka Vipaka. Okay. So true. Huh?
Yeah.
True. Na kama ahetuka kiriya na vipaka moha and then ahetuka kiriya. Okay, no vipaka. Huh? No ahetuka vipaka.
Yeah.
Na jana only 10 vipincha vinyana. No moha, no other ahetuka chitta. Huh?
Yeah.
Na maga no moha, only ahetuka. And na vipayukta moha and manodva. True. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, true. Well, Jatoka. Jatoka, so here, na hetu, na adipati, na
Wait. Oh,
puri. Huh?
yeah.
So here, what is
Yeah.
this? Huh?
Sure.
Oh,
Yeah.
it should be na he. Huh?
Yeah.
Na hetu, na adipati, na puri, na picha, na asi, na kama, na vip. 10 picture.
Yeah.
10 picture in the Dvivara. 10 picture. So, Tika is the same with Dukkha.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, na hetu, na adipati. Na adipati also this one. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Jatoka. Jatoka also na puri. This one. Moha into moha manodra in arupa play and then ahetuka patisandi namakana. No bodhi. No bodhi. Huh?
Yes.
Uh,
No.
okay. No bodhi. So mula samjha stay true.
Yes.
True. Na picha. The same with mula. na ase moha phasjavana manodwara vajana, and then so here no body.
Yeah, no poverty.
Okay. No body. Ahetuka patisandi.
It's no poverty.
Yes, puri, huh?
Yeah. Okay, sure.
It's a puri. Okay. Nakama, only manodara chetana. Na vipaka moha manodara chetana. Nuna chana muli. Nuna chana.
Okay.
Chana is just a 10, dipinja vinyana.
Yeah.
Okay. Chana, nuna chana in the muli. Magha manodwa. Ahetuka patisanti. And also, yes, manodwa. Na Vaipayukta, moha, and then manodwa, nodra vajana. No ahetuka, no patisandi. Na Vaipayukta, huh? Na Vaipayukta. Ahetuka, patisandi.
Oh, yeah.
No?
No.
Okay. No ahetuka patisanti. No ahetuka patisanti. Na Vaipayukta. Na Vaipayukta, yes. Okay. Chaka is up to na asi. Na asi. Manodara vajana first. Moha in first moha javana. Manodara vajana in arupa play, and then ahetuka patisandi. Mula sancha, true.
Yeah.
True. Nakama only. Manodara chetana. Na vipaka moha and first moha javana, and then manodwara vajana. No patisandi. Okay. Namaka, for namaka, manodwara vajana. No moha.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we pay no patisandi. Okay. No patisandi. Okay. Sataka here up to Nakama.
Yeah.
Nakama, manodara chetana. Namaka navipita. And then Nawaka up to Namaka, manodara chetana. Okay. And Na adipati. Na adipati. 2, 692. 2.
Yeah.
Na adipati. 692. 2. Na adipati 692. Na adipati na hetu na adipati.
Yes.
Okay. And then na puri. Arupa vipaka pavati patisandi namakhanda. And then adipati in loba, mahaku, mahakiri, arupaku. Yes?
Na adipati. So
Yes.
how can we have 4 phalas?
Na adipati. Let's see. Na adipati. Okay, no formula.
Yes, no 4 phalas.
No formula. No formula. Okay. Adipati na puri. No formula.
Yeah.
Arupa
So
vipaka.
no three upper magga.
Sorry?
No, no magga either.
No maka?
Na adipati, how can we have magga?
No, yes, na adipati. So here, uh, that means, so we have, right? Huh? So,
Ah,
so this one here, just adipati. So here, no adipati. Two cases. So we have popular here. So adipati and here adipati, only adipati.
uh, well, then it doesn't make sense because then the mula sangja is two, but now the with the napureja that becomes three.
Okay. So this case, let's see. Uh, yes. Uh, so we should exclude that one, huh?
It's strange.
In
Oh,
the na
let me check.
adipati, right? Na adipati we don't have.
Yeah,
Yes.
Natipati, we don't have those.
Yes. Okay. No Tatyabra, huh?
Yes.
Okay. In normal case, we have
Ah,
uh,
right.
adipati, huh? Yes.
Natipati, so no Tatiyabada, right?
Yes, no Tatyabra, yes. Uh, what about the remaining Paramatadama? Adipati in, huh?
Yeah.
Adipati in Lopa, uh, Lopa,
Yeah. Okay, sure.
Mahakusala, Mahakiriya, Arupa, Kusala.
Which means we made a lot of mistake in the Kusalatika,
Sorry.
right? Because we copy this from the Kusalatika, right?
Yes.
So in Kusalatika, we made a lot of mistakes.
No.
No, this is just the Parapata Dhammas, right, Sujana?
Yes.
So in the same thing, the Parapata Dhamma should be the same. They don't change. Only the Sankhya changes, right? We made a lot of mistake in the Kusalatika.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Yakon. Why in Ayakon is it just in Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Um, well,
Okay. Mhm.
in the Sutta Sankhya,
Yes.
it says for the Na Adipati, it's six. Oh, this is for the Na Adipati.
Kusala. They are right. They are kusala. Akusala. Sorry. Akubhya. Right? Akubhya. Okay. Let's see.
Do we have, well, Na Adipati, do we have the Magna and Phala? I don't remember.
Na
Na,
adipati. Adipati. Adipati in Maga and Phala.
then
Adipati.
should it be three instead of two for the Sutta Sankhya? I mean, for the Mula Sankhya?
Yes, Mula Sankhya. Let me see the
Yes.
Mula Sankhya. Well, which one? No,
Nine,
Sankilitati.
693, right?
Should be three.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me
Well, but then 693, huh? So we
uh
still have Tatiya, right?
Vipingawa. Huh? Oh,
When Adipati
okay. Uh, okay.
Sutta Sankhya.
Huh? You see this one?
Yeah.
uh, the weeping Virginia. This is
Yeah.
a weeping.
Yeah.
This is a nuloma.
Mm.
Oh,
Usatika, right?
okay. Okay, let me see another. What?
Bajani,
Chua.
yeah. Suda Sangja,
Okay.
Jawara, uh, Jawara, Vipaka, right?
So here, you see this one?
So,
No?
yeah, this is from where? So, this is from the
Uh,
Ayak.
uh, no, so let me check. Ayaga is just for the potato only.
No, no, we need to look at the Paramatta Dhamma, the
Yes,
Paccayupanna Dhamma. Do we
yes.
have the three Mahaya Maggas and four Phalas?
In the Naadipati.
Yes. In
No,
the
no, no.
previous,
Here, Ayaga is no here. Just for Adipati, like just the.
or
Uh,
Adipati when Adipati. So,
oh, what?
but
Yes,
but I mean the Mahakata and Lokuttara, they are always Adipati, right?
yes. They are always Adipati.
So in the
That
Nagata,
means Maga and Mahagata also included in this case. Eh?
yeah, so let's see
Eh?
the yes,
Pichiniya, Pichiniya,
Pachani, yeah, Suddha Sancha. Okay, I see. So
Tama,
it's
Patami, Patama, Tutiya, Tatiya, Tatiya. Eh? Oh,
yeah,
uh, so it should be here. Patama, 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 Tutiya, Patama, Patama, Tutiya, 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 Tatiya, Tatiya, Patama, Tutiya, Tutiya. Eh? So it should be uh 693.
yeah, that's what.
Eh?
Yeah, because if we have those Lokuttara
Yes.
Dhammas, then it should be 693,
Yes,
right?
693. Yes, 693. So here, how we six. Okay. What is this?
Well, but
Uh,
then if it's 690, then it should be 710 3 then.
sorry.
All right, right? Because now we have to add Tatiya Tatiya.
Yes.
Then it should be 710 3, not 693.
Mm, no. So let's see. Let's see. uh, what is this? Uh, what is it? Let's see. The party. What is it? Party. Okay. Is there anything in the party? Uh,
Yes. No, so so if we go back to the Kusalatika, right?
yeah.
Then
Yes.
it should have the Yaka for the Jawara, right?
Yes.
If we go back there and we look into the Na Adipati, then do we see the three higher Magga and four Phala in there?
Naadipati. Yeah.
Yes, in the
Yes.
Kusalati.
There is. There is.
They are, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why that means we are doing it wrong for this Sangilitatika. So it should be
Okay.
710 3 then.
So no, you see, what is this? Uh, so you see the Pali 444.
Bali. 444.
Yes.
Bali. Yes.
So you see the na hetu ya dui na aramani pincha na aditya cha.
then does that mean that we have something that we should not have instead of tatiya, tatiya?
Okay. So
Uh,
in so there Jacob mentioned so yeah, what Jacob mentioned just a sankhya. In
yeah.
the na adipati patamena patama, that means patama 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 dutiya, and then patama patama dutiya, and then dutiya dutiya, and then tatiya tatiya, and then patama dutiya tatiya. ပေါင်း6ချက်
Okay. So let's see. Some electric. So adipati.
yes အဓိပတိ right နာအဓိပတိနာအဓိပတိ
So we have patama patama, right?
yes
And then so we have a jitaja. So we should have patama dutiya.
yes
And so this is just
na-adhipati
adipati. So we should have patama dutiya.
yes
Okay, so dutiya. And then yes, dutiya patama.
yeah
And then dutiya patama dutiya. Aku salah and jitaja.
huh?
Uh,
uh, tatiya 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 dutiya tatiya tati no dutiya tatiya tatiya
let's see. So that six means what? Six means patama, right?
yes
And then patama dutiya.
yes
Then patama dutiya.
yes
And then dutiya.
yes
And then patama dutiya, patama.
no patama dutiya dutiya
Oh no, patama dutiya, I think it's not. Okay. So
yeah
then
patama
yes, patama dutiya.
yes uh
And then tatiya.
yes
That's why six.
yes
So which means it's a 6, 10, 3,
okay
right?
okay yes 20 uh, so na activity eh na
Yes.
activity so that means 8 lokotra to activity
Yes. Yeah.
uh, 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 okay okay 10
10, yes.
okay uh, 6 10 3 eh?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. So we should go back to the uh, uh, Jatuwara also.
Yes.
And this one, and this okay. So it should be uh
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, this one 2.
That is 2, yes.
2. Okay. So
And
here we
here we
have
have
to
to add
uh,
back the 3.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. 3. Okay. Na asi. Na asi. State 3.
Yes, 3.
Logia Fofala. Yes, Fofala.
Yes, true.
Nakama Kusala Akusa Ahetu Maha Kusala Maha Kiriya. True.
Yeah, so only 2 then, huh?
True. Yes, true. Nawipa 3.
Yes.
3. Nachana Namaka 1. Nawipayuta also Magafala 3.
Yes.
3. Okay. Okay. This is a na adipati. Okay. Oh, na puri. Huh?
Yeah.
Na puri. Na puri. 773. Na puri 3.
Yeah.
Na puri 3. Na hetu na puri. Na adipati na puri. Na picha 3. Na asi 3.
See.
Huh?
Yes, 3.
Kama chetana 3 apamaka. Kusala
Yes,
akusala
3. Sure.
3. Nawipa 3. Namaka
1.
1. Nawipyuta 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tika. Napuri nahitu. So true.
Yes, it's 2.
True. 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 Na adipati. Na asi.
Yeah.
Nakama. Nawipaka. Namaka. Nawipyuta. Nawipyuta. True.
Yeah.
True. Picha. Picha is 3. Not picha.
Yes.
Not picha. 3. Just a muli. 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 So na asi. Na asi 3. Na kama 3. Na wipa. Or na wipa. Kusala. Akusala. Kiriya.
3, huh?
Na wipa. Kusala. Akusala. Kiriya.
Yes, 3.
Oh.
Yeah, because this is the
Maga.
Magga. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Okay, just a Muli Sancha. Muli Sancha. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Na Asi. Na Asi also 3.
Yes.
Na Asi. Na Asi 3. Na Asi. So here, Kusal,
That is
Kusal.
2,
True.
huh?
Yes, true. Yes. True. Na Wipa 3. Huh? Na
Now we
Wipa
are
2.
only 2, huh?
True. Huh?
Yes, 2.
True. Na jana namaka na vipayukta 3.
Yeah.
3. Tika na asi na hetu. So true.
Yes.
True. Okay. Na adipati. Same with mula.
Yes.
True. Na puri. True.
Yeah.
Na puri, na picha, na kama. So here na kama
One,
hasito para awachana. One. Na vipa.
two,
Two.
one,
Na
one.
vipayukta. Two. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Penchaka moha manodwa. Ahetuka patisandi namaka and arupa play. Okay. Na picha. Na kama manodora only. Na vipa moha manodwa. Two. And also na vipayuta also moha manodwa. Two. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Nakama, three. Nakama, three. Nawipaka, three. Namaka, one.
Yeah.
Nawipayuta, three. Eh?
Yes.
Three. Okay. Tika, ahetuka, kiriya chitana. Or one, huh?
Yeah.
Or one. Just ahetuka, kiriya. Here only manodwa. Here first jhana. Here also manodwa. Huh?
Yeah.
Patisande khani. Khande patijawutu avarade. Sadisam sansatha sansasamyukta nahoti avat. Sansathan ja sampayukta. Asansatha
Atakatha.
walking ja nahoti. Okay. eh, Nawipaka three.
Yeah.
Nawipaka three. So here, namaka ahetuka kiriya. Na vipayukta three. Tika na vipaka na hetu. Moha ahetuka kiriya. So two.
Yeah.
Two. Okay. Na adipati. Na puri. In arupa play. Na asi plus jhana. Na kama chetana. Na vipayukta. Okay. Na kama namaka one.
Yeah.
Okay. Penchaka moha manodwa. Up to napuri. So stay true.
Yeah.
True. True. Okay. Na picha. Nakama namaka. Okay. So here na jhana. Only 10. Dipincha vinyana. No. Na puri. Na kama. Na vipaka. Na vipayuta. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So one or one. Huh?
Yeah.
Or one. Or 10 dipincha vinyana. Chaka. Chaka also 10 dipincha vinyana. Namaka. Namaka ahetuka namakana. Huh?
Yeah.
Namaka one. Najana one. Namaka one. Only in the Navipayukta. Okay. Okay, let's see. Navipayukta. Navipayukta. Three. Huh?
Yeah.
Three. Tika. Navipayukta nahitu. Two moha manodwa. The two. Huh? Two.
Yeah.
Na adipati. Na ase. First jhana. Na kama. Manodwara chetana. Na vipaka. Same with the mula. and for namaka only manodwa. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Sataka ya na asi. Moha manodwa in Arupa plane. Stay true.
Yes.
Okay. Nakama manodwa. Na vipaka. The same with mula. Namaka also manodwa. Attaka up to nakama. Only manodwa. Sorry. Only manodwara chetana.
Yes.
1. Nawaka up to Navipaka Manodwara Chetana. Okay. Okay, now this is a Pichaniya. So,
Yeah.
in Vibhingawara, it's okay. So we have to check about the Chatuvara.
Yes.
Na hetu, na adipati. It's okay.
Yes.
2, 4, huh?
Yes.
7 rupa, 1, 1. Okay. Sataka. Okay. Dasaka. Jodasaka. Na aramana. How about this one?
3.
Huh? It's okay.
Yes.
Na adipati.
3.
Oh? Huh?
Yes.
6, 9, 6. Oh, 6, 10.
Yeah, 6, 10.
6, 10. 6, 10. How about this one? Adipati. Huh?
Rupa. Yeah, because this has nothing to do with the Patiyapara. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Tadiya. Inya minya. Na inya minya. Na puri. So here,
4.
3 apamaga 4 plus.
Yes. 4.
Na puri.
Yeah, that's fine. Yes, sure.
5. 4, 4?
No. I mean, that's okay. So,
Should, Patama, Dutiya. Tatiya.
Before, what did we have for number 4?
4 means Patama, Dutiya. Patama, Dutiya. So it should be 5, 5. We add
Yeah.
Tatiya. Huh?
Yes, sure.
Wait. So this will be okay. 2, 2.
Yeah, because there's no Tatiya, sure.
Okay. Na picha. This one?
Yes.
Okay. Na asi. Okay. Yeah. No Tadiyabra.
Yes.
Okay. Nagama. Nagama. Here also okay. Navipaka. Navipaka. So here is okay. Na
Yeah.
ahara.
Rupa. Okay.
Na
Yes.
jama. For the
Yeah.
remaining is okay, huh?
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah.
Now it when you that is also okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now we finish the Pigeon, huh?
Yeah.
Pigeon. What is na adipati? Okay, here, 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's stop here for today.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Sayan-san.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Okay. Good night, Sayan.
Okay, good.